Still not working. All right. Hold on a second.
Test. That's better. I have no idea what was going on with that, but apologize about that. Now it should be good. All right, let me work my screens here. Hold on. There we go. Work that for a second. Got a big drop here. Hold on a second. I gotta work this. Come on now. Let me switch to my mains. All right, here we go. There we go. Come on now. Let me switch to my mains. All right, here we go. I come over here now. I'm working a couple screens, boss. There we go. Runners, just holding runners. Holding runners. Come on now. Let me switch to my mains. All right, here we go. A lot of screens here now. A lot of runners. A couple screens, yes, sir. Boss. I took way advantage of that. There we go. Done for the day. I'll give you an update in a minute. I went left, right, runners, uppercut, up, holding runners. I got a $100 runner. Holding runners. Come on now. Let me switch to my mains. All right, here we go. A lot of screens here now. A lot of runners. A couple screens, yes, sir. Boss. I took way advantage of that. There we go. Done for the day. I'll give you an update in a minute. I went left, right, runners, uppercut, up, holding runners. I got a $100 runner. Holding runners. Come on now. Let me switch to my mains. All right, here we go. A lot of screens here now. A lot of runners. A couple screens. Yes, my dogs are crying. Way advantage of that. Done for the day. I'll give you an update in a minute. I went left, right, runners, uppercut, up, holding runners. I got a $100 runner. Holding runners. Come on now. Let me switch to my mains. All right, here we go. A lot of screens here now. A lot of runners. A couple screens. Yes, my dogs are crying. Way advantage of that. I'll give you an update in a minute. I went left, right, runners, uppercut, up, holding runners. I got a $100 runner. Holding runners. Come on now. Let me switch to my mains. Microphone's working. Right, a lot of screens here now. A lot of runners. A couple screens. Yes, my dogs are crying. Way advantage of that. I'll give you an update in a minute. I went left, right, runners, uppercut, up, holding runners. I got a $100 runner. Holding runners. Come on now. Let me trade away. Don't miss the dip here. A lot of screens here now. A lot of runners. A couple screens. Yes, my dogs are crying. Way advantage of that. I'll give you an update. Every dollar counts. I wrote this down. Every move I make, every dollar I make. $100 runner, holding runners, and I am. Come on now, let me trade away. Don't miss the dip here. A lot of screens. So I'm having a special guest on the show. My dogs are crying. Way every dollar counts. I wrote this down. Every move I make, every dollar I made 100 and change. Today I made 50. So I made 200 yesterday. 200 today. It's 50,000. Don't miss the dip here. It's my 200 account. I'm having a special guest on the show. My dogs are crying. Every dollar counts. I wrote this down. Every move I make, every dollar I made 100 and change. Today I made 50. So I made 200 yesterday.
Recording is looping.
It's my 200 account. I'm having a special guest on the show. My dogs are $3 count. I wrote this down. Every move I make, every dollar I made 100 and change. Today I made 50. So I made 200 yesterday.
Recording is looping.
It's my 200 account. I'm having a special guest on the show. My dogs are $3 count. I wrote this down. Every move I make, every dollar I made 100 and change. Today I made 50. So I made 200 yesterday.
Recording is looping.
It's my 200 account. I'm having a special guest on the show. My dogs are $3 count. I wrote this down. Every move I make, made $800. Look, it goes so low. I never won. I made
Computer recording is looping.
my 200 account had a $3 count. Every move I made look, it goes so low. I never won. I made $200.
Computer recording is looping.
My 200 account had a $3 count. Every move I made look, it goes so low. I never won. I made $200.
Computer recording is looping.
There we go. 79.80.
Yay.
Yes.
All right. How to fix it? Is that better? Is it working now?
It's
Back to
stopped.
normal.
All right, cool. Back in 77. Back out 82. Out. We going to 85. Nice trade there again. So over here on my trade of 8, I made $240 across the board. I'm at 53,656 on my legends. And I got some big news coming out with them. The Halloween Mojo Cup trading tournament,
Nice,
guys.
nice.
Excited to do that. Let's go, baby. The Mojo Cup, the Halloween trading tournament with legends, October 27th to 31st. More details coming soon, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm done for the day here. Yes, sir. So here I am up to, not that, I got a little bit more to go, 130. Waiting for the next dip. How's it coming in now? Better? Up to, not that, yeah, it's better.
Much better.
Let's go to 82 again. Justin, you got to cool it with him. My son's like, something's wrong with him. I don't know why he's not at school. Something he's sick. Come on, 80. Watch it. I'm holding it because I've said it twice already that it's run without me and shit. So I'm holding it. Yay, 77. Let's go to 83 and go to 15. Signal at 76 for a rebound and 77 signals. See him? Told you.
Yep.
Yep. That ain't gonna happen. Someone did a coaching appointment right now. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen, I don't think. All right, let's go back up here. I don't like when you go down. Trade right out of you. Knew you were going to do that. Let me make sure I got no open positions. I'm closing this Phoenix. I could take another trade here, but I'm done at 205. Let me mark it down. 205.12. 50,394. Done. 2 days. 20 days, I'll be at 54,000 on that account. Done. Ooh, look at 77. Do I have a runner? Of course I don't. Every fucking time it shakes me out, I have on my runner when it goes fucking big. How come I'm doing that? Huh? I'm not going to chase it now. Fuck that. That account. Damn. All right, I'm in for the move to 80. Finally. Don't want to pay me. I sold one, now it'll go to 80. The 1 to 3 micro challenge really works. And the contest is going to be 5 micros. It's not a YOLO contest. It's a skills challenge of trading. And whoever can make the most money can prove to themselves that they know how to trade and grow a PA account and get payouts. Yes, sir. Added once right there at 74. Is it ever going to make a move to 83 again, or is it going to go to 65? It's going to go to 65. Testing me.
They should know better than to do that.
Come on, 75. Yeah, told you. Come on, 76. I'm holding one this time, guys, when it goes to 80 here. Come on. Yes. Told you. Told you. See, I held one. Big move for the Moj. See? I held one there that time.
Good job.
Mm-hmm.
No cojones over here.
Yeah, but it went fucking back down. It didn't go to 80. See, it went that fucking down. I'm just going to put a stop in right here and watch. So I'll put a stop in right there and I'll leave it. Go, baby, go. go, go. Till I can't have enough, then I'll press market and get out. Go, baby, go, go, go. Like, it's such a piece of shit. I'm out, close, 162. I'll take $162. That's fucking lunch and dinner. Yeah, lunch and dinner. Now it's 77, of course. Drop the fucking 72. Go to the low 65.
Just need you to move your chart off the screen, buddy.
No, I gotta leave that there because I gotta put this chart up. There you go. 70. You piece of shit. See, I sold it. It went to 70 fucking 8. Oh, my ear hurts a lot, dude. I got an earache. I've had that for years. I have it again. Remember my ear used to hurt?
Are you wearing your headphones too much?
No, I've been wearing, but on the other ear. Come on, 80. Yeah, 78. Come on. Damn. So look at these stocks this morning. Prax. $180. See it? Prax. RYOJ. See it? It's been to 530. It's $4. This one, Mira. Ooh, something's happening with SQQ. It dropped. All right. So at 11 o'clock in an hour, that guy's joining the show. I'll talk to you about that company. He's got some cool shit, man. He's got some really cool shit with this program, this copier, guys, that you can connect. Like, I trade with 18 different firms. You can connect all 18 firms to this copier. I think whether it's on NinjaTrader or Tradeovate, and copy trade all the accounts and all the firms together. Because on NinjaTrader, you can't do that. You know, 79, 80, I added. Got a bad fill. How can I get that fill on that stupid trade? I FOMO into that shit. Idiot.
That was a good one.
No, it's going to break through the top. What's the high? 83, right? Just a matter of time. Added. Going to 80. Told you. See the 74, how it has the on the bottom, on the lower, on the bottom of the 74, the 1600. You see how he got filled for the rebate? Now he's going to have to get out at 77. Watch. $75. He's going to have to get out at 77 now. Watch. Maybe. Told you. See? Told you, right? Come on, baby. Head back up there. Added for the move to 77. Told you. Come on, 75. Come on. Come on. Yep, told you. Trade of the day. Trade of the day. I told you. Told you. Let's go. Told you.
That is so awesome.
Told you. Told you.
So much awesome.
He's getting rebates here at 77 on the ask. I told you. I told you he's getting his rebate right here from that 73 on the bid. Told you. 1884 at 78 for the rebate. Told you. 79 right there, baby. $80 runner. Out. Yes, sir. 261 on the day. Right there. 261 on the day right there on my Ninja account. Yes, sir. That's how it's done, boys. That's how Mojo rolls. Done with that one right there. Let's see what else I can trade. Let me take a little screenshot of that. I did good earlier on my Apex accounts. I'm going to check those out. This is my Ninja 10, 16. Orders. Disconnect. Make sure cancel all your orders before when you log out. Here's my Apex I did for the day. I passed the 250 today. I think my ear is fucking killing me. Ugh. Got like an earache. Hurts. So my Apex I did 11,705 and 78.54, and that PA 714 so far. Yes, sir. That's how Mojo rolls. What's up, Somesh? Hey, boss. What's up, Somesh? All right, let's get that move going, man. Look at this. $700, $800. See, I made it bigger so you can see. See? 20 left. See that? I show it over here, it's not going to go, but I pull it over here, it's going to go to 80. See? Every time. Told you. See? Going to 80. Look. Up 1,000.
Yes, sir.
See?
Yes,
up
sir.
30 left, up 1,000. Look, I'm up 9 grand now. All I got to make is 2 more thousand, and I pass this eval. I'm going to pull it over here again. Let it go in our favor.
50 contracts?
I had, not no more. Yeah, it's a 250 eval. I got 1,000 to go. $264,000 to go. 1,250. All with micros, never minis, all micros. I got 5 left. I got to make 1,400. Added. 11 left. 7 left. 5 left. I'm at 264. 264, 219, 800 left. 5 left. 4 left. New high, 3 left. Nobody's better than me.
Yeehaw, that was a
You
good
could
run.
you could watch guys talk about charts and EMAs and this and that. Look at today's candles on the 2-minute. There's nothing but fucking cash grab, taking your pain, blowing your account, doing shitty. You're buying the rip and getting punched out on the fucking dip. I'm buying the dip and selling the rip. Every fucking time. Let's fucking dip so I can buy and then rip so I can fucking profit. Let's fucking go. Damn, I'm fucking good. Look, see at Prax. Prax is 190 now. RYOJ is 4. Mira is 220, 72 million. Look at this WHWK. Just buy like 2,000 and just like an hour later, you're either making a huge amount or you're fucking fine. Then this warrants ABVE actually is my swing pick. ABVE, I think, not the warrants. See? Above food ingredients. I've heard that one. Watt, the old timer. That's an old time swinger. Watt. Then you got Lobo. Sphere 3D. That's Sphere 3D right there. See? Sphere 3D. That's my old swing pick. Look at this one. Breaking out through Heinz $1. Touchy 11 went right to 19. Look at that, guys. See? On that stock right there on my screen. Touchy 11 right to 19. Big breakout. Rocket ship. Boom, boom. In the zoom, small cap. Ken Slim system. Current earnings per share. Amazing. 200%. Annual sales. Uncrediblicious. 500%. It's got something new. It is intelligent. It's got Sphere 3D, which is 3D printing. Look at that. Taking off one. Then we got, boom, what is it, 83? 83 on told you 83 on SQQ. I know fucking everything. S shares outstanding, small sucka mucka, leading indicator, leading in the industry, institutional sponsorship and market momentum. Mojo's a Ken Slim prodigy, baby. Let's fucking go. Get my car back soon. I found the ball bearing right here. See that? I found the ball bearing, dude. See that? Came out from the bottom of my car. I had to bring it in, get it fixed.
What?
Yeah, see that? That ball bearing right there? Unbelievable, right? Came out from the bottom of my car. Fucking racing, broke the right axle on that shit. Thought I blew the engine, but I didn't. Just broke the right axle. It's in the shop getting fixed. Do you want to hear the biggest ripoff?
What they do to you, man?
Fucking $6,000 to fix it when I bring it in, right? Because it happened over the weekend and shit. $6,000. Then the insurance guy goes in there and takes care of his business. You know what? I go, give me a worksheet so I could check out, make sure you guys are doing everything you were going to charge me. And guess what they fucking charged the insurance company? They charged me $5 grand. Guess what they charged them?
$2 grand.
Yep. $2 grand. Adjusted this, adjustment that. I'm like, dude, where's my fucking adjustment?
Well,
All you were doing every
much.
time I opened my mouth, they adjusted me higher and said I needed something else. I just shut my goddamn mouth.
There you go. You sound like that when you talk to a lawyer, you get that.
All right, I'm adding, going to the other screen. Get ready. Here we go. Passing right now. I told you all you had to do is just bring it to the other screen every fucking time, baby. Look at that. You think I'm fucking calling my all in right here, but it's not an all in because it's not Heinz, but calling my bet. Calling my bet. I'm going to pass it right now. Here we go. Ready? Now. Start coming out. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. 27 left. 23 left. I had 70 of them. Came out of 50 because it dipped. Now I get back in that 50. Here we go. All right, let's pass this baby. Here we go. You ready? Boom, 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 boom. Line up the Pac-Man. Line up the Pac-Man. Line up the Pac-Man. Here it comes. Boom. 264.6. $400 more on this trade. 27 left. 20 left. 264.3. Let's go. 20 left. 5 off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 left. 264.5. 500 left. Here we go. 15 left. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Adding 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 76. Taking off 5. Come on, baby. Here we go. 76. Taking off 5. Adding 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adding 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 75. Taking off 5.
That's awesome.
Waiting for 75.
That's awesome. Yeah,
5.
he's awesome.
Adding 5. Waiting for 75.
I hear awesome sauce.
Adding 5. Waiting for 75.
Awesome.
Here we go. You ready now? Takes them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Line them up, baby. 24 left. Here it goes.
Awesome.
Here it goes. 300. I'm at 26.6. 18 left. 15 left.
That's killer. Awesome.
I know, baby.
Awesome. Awesomeness.
Let's go. Time for my song. Here we go. You ready? Here we go. Look at me roll. Look at me roll.
You see, we're born
$100 left.
born to be alive. People ask me why I never find a place to stop and settle down, down, down. But I never wanted all those things people need to justify my life, life, life.
On the webcam.
You see, we're born to be alive. Born to be alive. You see, we're born. It's good to be alive, to be alive, to be alive. It's good to be alive, to be alive, to be alive. It's good to be alive.
comes in here. Hi, guys. Let's see here. Ooh. Dropped. Let's see. How come this ain't working? Let me take off the settings here. Video. Let's go background. Deselect. There he is. Look, there's my boys. Hi, guys. Remy and Bobo. Hi, guys. That's my boys. Born to be alive, born to be alive. Yes, sir. Let me see if my other camera now. Let me switch it. Yeah, there we go. All right. So I got 2 cameras now, boys. See? Mojo Technical Wizard. I got to get a stand for it. All right. Let's get back to the trading. Holy shit, we dropped and dropped. Let me go to my settings. Born to be alive. Born to be alive. All right. Let me go back here. Back here. Boom. Man, I missed the dip. Bitch. Can you believe it went to 70, boys, while I was dipping like a chicken ripping? Dude, I'm like in the last $100. Oh, yeah, that was my idea. That was my idea for the legends. If they had this add-on that you could pay $100 when you're at your last $100 or so and you get, you know, that 1 point, would you pay it in order to pass? That sort of thing, you know? All right, what are we at? Dude, we got to go back up. See, it's rewarding me because I'm done for the day. Here we go. Done. So I'm at right now 265,200. 265,400. Look, I made 11,022. See that? 265,400 I just made there, guys. When I bring it to my other screen, magic happens, right, guys?
Good job.
Yes, that's two
Yes,
new
sir.
2 new Apex
Yes, sir.
evals that are passed right there. Abby Schnabby. Abby Schnabby, you love me?
I love you more than pancakes.
You, that's big. What kind of pancakes do you like? What's your favorite?
I love the ones with a little bit of vanilla flavor in them, a little bit of vanilla extract in them.
Oh, nice. Yeah, there's a place called First Watch that's near me that they have some cool, good They have, during like holiday times, like they have these cinnamon crunch pancakes with this crunchy cinnamon thing on top. It was good. They have these banana nut crunch pancakes with bananas.
Give me the address.
Bananas and like granola in it. My favorite healthy one is the blueberry pancake. They have the blueberries all in it and shit. Yeah. They have some good pancakes.
We have First Watch here too, Mike.
Oh, you do? First Watch there? Nice.
Yep.
Look, 73, 74. I'm done. I don't know what to do. What should I do? Should I do another like eval or something? What should I trade? What should I trade, boys? Born to be.
What's the fastest you've done a 50K?
With Lilo in 1 second. Because I did the 5 bundle thing, you know? And I just went all in long and all in short in 1 second past it. Look at that move, boys. I tell, amazing, right? It's gonna drop. Is it gonna drop to 70?
That one got me done for the day.
Me too.
Thank you, Mike.
Is it gonna drop to 70 again? Give us a bonus. Add and replace until it stops, guys. It likes dropping like that. I need to play my song again. Born to be alive. See, my goal on the larger account to make 1,000 like that, like I just did on this PA right there, $1,988. You see it? That's my goal. $1,000 a day on 20 accounts, and that's that's every 8 days. Oh, hold on, someone's texting me. $60,000 every 8 days. So 60K 4 times a month, 240,000 a month, making $1,000 every day. $250,000 just off Apex with 20 accounts. I'll be there in a moment, a little bit. My building plan. All right, let's go. I'll get back in right here. 74 dip entry. Add. Today's a money-making day. If you don't take advantage of it, silly Billy you. Silly Billy you. Silly Billy. Dude, is my fucking headset a piece of shit? How come my headset decides not to work? Well, now I have this thing so I can plug it in, actually. Let's check it out. There we go. PC connected. See that? Look, it dropped again.
Boom. JLab. There we go. I'm speaking on my headset now. Look, it dropped to 70. Can you believe that? I'm hitting it. Ooh, hit it, Mojo, with a left. Hit it with a right. Hit it with an uppercut and a bunch. Boom. Hit it with the Mojo. Hit it with the left. Hit it with the right. Throw an uppercut and crush it with the boosh. With the boosh. Crush it with the boosh. Added right there on that 69.70 bang schnipper. Bang schnipper. You know what a bang schnipper is? It's one of those good trades like that. It's a bang schnipper. Dude, I got other accounts to trade, dude. I got to finish up with this one right here so I can go to my next one. Zooba-dooba-dooba. Leon's coming on at 11 o'clock. Leon from Phoenix Trading. I'll tell you about his copier called Thor. It's pretty cool, dude. Copies all the firms at once. Can you believe it does that? Thor. Thor, that's a good name. Like the Avengers, like, you know, the character Thor. Big old bids at 69. It's gonna hold. We'll go lower. Go lower. Big bid always goes lower, boys. Now he's gonna have to get out at 72, 73. Him and the guys below him, watch. 68, go to 67. Otherwise, he's getting out at 72 right here. Told you. Told you, boys. What did I tell you? How do I know how the market works? I know what the next candle is going to be because I see where the orders are. When you know how to read level 2 and you see where the orders are, you can make a lot of money. And you know you have the edge. You're always chasing. You're on the wrong side. You have a bad game. If you got a bad game, then you're bad game. If you got a bad game, then you got a bad game. Go check out my Trader's Edge bundle right there. Let me show you. Where is that? That's right here. Hold on a second. Yeah, take out your phone and scan that shit. I'll show you how to read the level 2. I got such videos for you to watch, you wouldn't believe. Go to 65. You guys got to come out at 72 again. All right, I think I'm stopping here. Nope, $6 more to go. It's at 25,100. Is 1469. 25,100. All right, let me take a picture of these accounts and go to my next ones to trade. Time is only coming. I got to open up 3 DOMs with this firm. Super Dom, and Super Dom. Trading 3 DOMs. Yep, and it's working. Press, press, press. Adding, adding, adding. Go back in the 70s. Adding, adding, adding. Look at the bid, look at the bid, 6,000 like on the bid. They're gonna have to get rebates way up higher. At the low of the day. $67, $68, let's go. Really? Go to 60 fucking stupid 3. Coming out 66, 67 right here. Some.
Right. Your chart is on the weekly.
What?
The chart is on the weekly time frame.
All right, hold on a minute. There you go, 2 minute. Unbelievable. As soon as I switch to this account, my most important account, you're doing this to me. You kidding me? Come on already. I'm playing my song. Told you. Told you.
Born to be alive, born to be alive. You see, we're born.
Yes, sir.
Born to be alive. People ask me why
Yes,
I
sir.
never get a place to stop and settle down. But I never wanted all those things people need to justify the life. You see, we're born to be alive, born to be alive. You see, we're born. It's good to be alive, to be alive, to be alive. It's good to be alive, to be alive, to be alive.
Yes, sir.
It's good to be alive. Time was on my side when I was running down the street and folks don't fine. Suitcase and an old guitar and something new to occupy my mind. You see, we're born to be alive, born to be alive. You see, we're born. You see, we're born to be alive, born to be alive. You see, we're born. You see, we're born to be alive, born to be alive. You see, we're born to be alive. Born to be alive, born to be alive. Yes, we were born to be alive.
All right. Enough of this monarchally stupidness. Trying to punish me. I didn't do anything wrong. Oh, my ear. Come on now. Other way. Bullshit. Come on already. I took some of them. Weak piece of shit all of a sudden. Come on now. I got no patience for this. Here it comes. It's coming. Every time I pull it over, it works good. Look, I'm up 600. Yes, sir. Yeah, but I saved on my short. I went to 50 of them. It's all about the uppercut. All about the uppercut. Born to be alive. Born to be alive. World Trading Cup Championship. Okay. A lot of championships. My 800 up 1,000 on 15, going to 9. Going to 6. Look at that trade, huh? Told you. Oh, my ear's killing me, dude. Oh, my ear's killing me. Made 1,600 on that shit right there. See that? 1,644 bucks on that shit. On that bad short. Who said that? BF44. That was a bad one, huh? $1,500 now. 6 runners. 6 runners left, up 375. Done. Closed. 1,600. See what else I could trade. Born to be alive. Born to be alive. Oh, something's crashing on my screen. My connection just went out. Woohoo! What a position. Either log back in and make a lot or lose a lot. I did it at 62. Looks like I'm winning. Looks like I'll be winning. Logging back in. I'm lucky. Let's see what I'm up. 100 bucks. I have 2 of them. Yes, sir. One of them's off right there. Yes, sir. That's how you fucking make money, babes. That's how you make money. And it's my live. Look, I'm at 852. Started with 200. I made 200 today. 3 micro challenge. Yes, sir. That was fucking sweet. Passed the take profit account. That Abby finally passed that take profit account. I made $3,000 in one day on. Remember?
Cool.
Yeah, finally. It took me fucking forever.
Nice trading, mate.
Thanks, boss. All right, I'm shutting this off for the day. Yes, sir. Nice little chair lift into rail grind right there. Let's look at these. What's Prax at? 200 now. RYOU is 4. Mira is 2. WHK is 3. ELWS is 5. Sond. Sir. Let it dip again. Oh, my ear hurts so bad. Added. Come on, baby. Mojo's got a runner. Oh, my ear is killing me. Really hurts. Really hurts. Really hurts. My ear. The pain of the earache. The pain of this fucking stock not ripping up higher and the NASDAQ down again. This shit was 1660 the other day. I got a meeting at, yeah, and what's his name's coming on at 11. My man Leon going to talk to you about the Phoenix. See if he can give away an account to y'all watching. That'd be nice. There's a beauty. I was like 60. I'm fucking out. Went to 65. Look at that. I'm out. Now it'll go to 80 because it dropped to 60. 6 cents, you know? Now it'll go to like the 80 and shit on me. And I'm like, I had that shit. Nice. And get back in at 63. See that? Mama. Signal at 62 down there. 1900. See, right to that 62 kind of range. Woohoo! Yes, sir. It's going to 25,100. That's where it wants to go. Here it goes. Put one on 25,100. Line them up. Here it goes. Told you. Told you. Fuck yeah, dude. I told you it was going under 25,100. Look at that. I'm at 208. I'm at $1,000 from 200. There's no one denying that fucking payout. Hear that, guys?
That's good.
Yep. 3 micros only. $900 on 3 micros in 2 days. I'm growing it to $1 million. I started at $200. Started at 200. I'm growing it to $1 million. Who's with me? Who's with me?
All aboard.
Harry.
Right there.
Let's go. Growing it to $1 million every $10 at a time, all on the micros.
Great job, Mike. Great job.
DCTH, Delcath. Delcath Systems, old swing pick of mine. See this one? Delcath. I remember that one. Is Prax 300 yet? Nope, 190. RYOJ for ELYS, halted trading at 6. Mira, 2. WHK, 3. Sand, $1.22. Lobo, $1.14. I gotta take these off. Delete. I got a nice runner, dude. ADAP is doing good today. I think ADAP. Yeah, it's up 24%. All right, back to my SQQ. Got my runner. Come on, baby. Let's go 70. 25,100 under that again. Added 1 for the move back under 25,100. Putting it on 25,100 again. That's $44 with 1. Add. Added. Leon, what's up? Welcome to the stream, boss.
Hey, Mike.
How you doing, Leon? Let me switch sides so you get over there. Hey, nice to see you today. Been live streaming, cycling through my accounts. Already traded my Phoenix web platform account. Made like 200 and stop. That's what I do. Make 200 and stop. And yeah. How you doing today? What a morning. What a day. How you doing?
Yes,
Leon Grimm,
yes.
everybody, to the Mojo stream. Welcome. He's the CEO. I know. He's the CEO of Phoenix Trader Funding, guys. And welcome. So, thanks, guys. Appreciate the warm welcome for Leon. So he's from France, and you could watch him on my YouTube. So I'm gonna shut down the chat room, and I'll see you guys over there. Hi, Leon. Nice to see you today, boss. How's everything going?
Pretty nice, actually. I'm heading toward the end of the week. It's always pleasant, and yeah, rest of the way, yeah. we have been developing
Lovely.
some features since we last spoke. So I'm happy.
Lovely accent you have.
Thank you.
Why don't you introduce yourself, tell the audience where you're from, and a little overview of your company and your mission.
Yeah, sure. I come from France, obviously. Currently, we are based in Paris, so the company is based there too. The mission of Phoenix, per se, the reason I made Phoenix almost 2 years ago now was initially because I thought prop firms were really complex for beginners. When you want to dive deeper in the trading world, you have a lot of things to do actually, and a lot of traps to avoid. First, there is the funding. Then there is the formation, like the initial learning. The learning is filled with formations that are purely not very useful, borderline being completely scammy. And so the original idea was that Phoenix would be a sort of complete system on itself years ago, and since then we greatly pursued on that vision, and that's still the idea I have today. So right now there is Phoenix for the funding, there is Phoenix Academy, Phoenix Press, Phoenix Shop if you want to buy clothes made from us, a trade copier, a software to log your trades. There is really a ton of stuff surrounding the prop firm side, and on the prop firm side, I figured out what's missing when we started was the static drawdown accounts. The Ascension account that you have, Mike, actually is really maybe the core of Phoenix. It's really the most important accounts that we have, because
let me pull up that account on your website and show them what you're
sure.
talking about.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
All right, Phoenix. There's my boy. Right here.
Wow, cool stuff.
Oh yeah, here we go. So yeah, we're up on this thing right here. Let me get us up on the side. So here, beautiful website, guys. The first thing you do as a retail prop trader, I come to this site, I'm like, they got their shit in order. Looks pretty impressive. They got some Trustpilots, 234 great reviews right there. All right, I'm a beginner and I already know prop firms, so beautiful. I like it. And here's the Ascension account right here that you're talking about. So let me see if I click this, does it change? Yes, it does. So the classic account, what is a classic account?
It's an end of the account. Wait, actually, I'm myself in duplicated. Anyway, I will continue. Basically, the classic accounts are end of the accounts. The idea was to basically give the traders an opportunity to get into Phoenix at affordable price and without complex rules. That's why you have consistency rules on the accounts, daily drawdown, reviews, activation fees, all of those things. You have no buffer when payout also.
So none of your days can exceed 50% of your total profit. So if you got to make $3,000, that means you got to stop at $1,500. But if you make more, that means you got to make a little bit more than 3,000 total. Is that how it works?
Yeah, for the evaluation only.
Okay. And what about when you pass that classic? Is there any consistency rule in the next stage in the funded account?
I think that we have one of the missive funded accounts because you don't have any sort of consistency when funded. You don't have any sort of buffer when funded. You can trade the news, daily drawdown. You don't have a lot of things. And most of all, you can withdraw starting from $70 in profits. Link that for 25 starter, you can basically just get the funded account, and within five trading days, you can do your first withdrawal. If you have $75 in profit, so starting from 25,000 plus 75, you can withdraw 75. So it's
Amazing.
Very cool.
You know what I was just telling my community yesterday? One of the columns that I add up for statistics, how much I make money in payouts, how much I spend in the expenses to get that, which is any sort of business, but how much I've lost in payouts that were in review, pending, that I wound up trading or blowing that payout, not being able to withdraw that payout. This year has been a considerable amount of money like that. And if I had been able to withdraw those trading profits like I do in my regular trading account, like you're saying, it's a game changer for the trader. I feel like I'm a hamster in a spinning wheel with some of these firms, and you're just running, and they drip you a little water to keep you going, but you can never like get out of that and get the money. So what you're doing to help the trader there is exceptional, boss. I like it.
Thank you.
Yeah. So let's talk about the difference. What's an Ascension account, the one I'm trading now?
Basically, it's about the same thing, but with static account. So those accounts are right now the accounts with the large drawdown in the industry period. Then nothing even close.
What is the difference for people that don't know what a static drawdown is and a regular drawdown? And yours is 1,500. So if you're starting at 50,000, what happens at $48,500? If I lose from 50,000, you lose it. So what happens if I make $1,500 and the balance moves to 51,500?
Then you have $500 of drawdown because the drawdown never moves. That's the gigantic difference.
So if I'm at 51,500, the drawdown is still 48,500, and I have $3,000 worth of room.
Yeah, correct.
Wow. That's a game changer, boss. There's no firms in the business, in the industry, that are looking to help the trader with that particular drawdown feature. It's great. Most of the other firms trail. So if you have a good day and you might have a bad day, which is variance, everyone does, you're at risk of losing your business, the time you've put in, the mental wherewithal, and the craziness, man. So you're doing a great job. I really like that. Thanks for telling me the difference between that one. What's the merit account?
Quite unique accounts in the industry. There is nothing that looks even like it. The idea with merit accounts, when thought about it, was to give the trader some room, even some sort of sandbox, if you want. So concretely, what happens is that when you buy this account, there is no profit goal to reach. The drawdown is static, like the Ascension, and you have 2,000 drawdown. There is only one merit account, and the idea is that instead of a profit goal, you have 30 calendar days. So the challenge is only a month, no matter what you do. And at the end of those 30 days, you will get reviewed. And this review is done by a human. And this is review that decides whether you are funded or not funded. And there is a lot of things to consider. First of all, when you are funded, you are directly live funded. which means that you skip all of this process of some funded that can be quite tedious and restrictive because obviously since funding, we have to make some rules. You know, this consistency, maximum draw, maximum etc. So once you're live funded, you can make like $10,000 in a day and request your $10,000. We will not care. So that's for the funded part. But if you are not funded, you get what consider to be one of the best document in the industry because we give you a comprehensive analysis of all of your trades and all of your weaknesses and all of your strengths with real applicable advices that you can start to communicate to like the next session. That's what we call the preview. And those are in my opinion divas that give the most value to the traders because even when you fail you will always 100% of the case learn how to get a tiny bit, and that's what matters at the end because if you keep being better every day just by doing really good.
I love that. And as you know, I'm a coach and a mentor to traders, so I really believe in the education and the helping side because trading alone is brutally tough. And the way I see it is you pay a $69 one-time fee. You trade for 30 days, so that's not like the account where I'm buying it to rush to get a payout in 5 days. It's not like that. This is like a career kind of account where you get a $2,000 live account for $70. You trade it for 30 days. And then after that, you get a review of what your performance is. And let's say you grew the account. What does it start with? $2,000. Let's say you grew it to $3,000 and you made $1,000 profit on calendar day 30. Is the payout? How does the payout? Is the trader getting any of that $1,000, or how does that work?
No, you don't get that $1,000. At the end of the day, the merit account it's a challenge. That can be succeed or failed. And succeed, you are a live account, but it's not like it's not an instant funded account.
So you get the account and you trade for 30 days, and even if you don't make a lot of profit, but you manage the account well, and you know you're a lower than average profit trader, you could still pass the review and get a live funded account for $2,000 after 30 days. And then trading on that account, you make $1,000. You're able to withdraw those profits as a trader, correct?
That's exactly right.
Amazing. So you're learning and earning, guys. There's no rush with this kind of account. And most firms charge $6.99 with a discount. You're paying $400, $300 for an account like this at every other firm in the industry. So this is a great deal also. I like that account. Cool, boss. What else you got to say, man? What else you got to say?
Well.
Tell them about Thor, man. I told everybody about Thor. Program.
Oh yeah. Thor. we pronounce it quite differently. I didn't get it at first.
Yeah, Thor, your copy trader.
Yeah.
So this is my account right here. Phoenix Trader Funding. I got the Ascension. Starting balance 50. They have a copier. Where did I see copier? Right here. Trade copier. He'll tell you about that. And these are your credentials for my DX. This is how I log in for the trading, guys. I hit web trading right there, and I log in. Really easy. This is what I do with these guys. And I trade the account. It's with Volumetrica, for you guys that have heard of Volumetrica before with the DX feed. And I made $205, traded for 2 days. I'm at 50,400. and I'm going to make $200 a day every day forever. So that's my plan with that. How many accounts am I allowed to have trading at one time? How many Ascension accounts can I have with your firm?
You can have three different Ascension accounts, and you can have five different classic accounts.
Okay, so talk to me about the trade copier, because a lot of people use that. So if I was connecting all those accounts together, you create a group and you connect them together on here, which is standard for the platform. But talk about your other copier and how that works, because I think that's very, very something that separates you from the rest of the firms also. So what is that about?
Yes. Okay. Basically, the copier is within the initial vision that I talked about of having a complete ecosystem. So right now, we have Tor, and this copier allows to connect to Rhythmic, Spacefit, Renovate, and also Project X. And also quite funnily C-Trader. So Tor is among the things, the first compiler that can do this bridge between the futures and CFD world. You can copy, let's say, an Apex account to an FTMO account. That's already doable with Tor.
Beautiful.
The thing that really separates us, I mean, compared from the rest, is that there is first of all, relatively affordable. If you have a Phoenix account, you get a 50% discount, meaning that the copier is at $19.5 per month forever. And for that price, you get unlimited accounts, unlimited connections, and trade machines. Meaning that like a lot of compilers that escalates their something that the more I can count, the more money you have to pay. With Tor that's standard at all. You do have everything for the same price of $19.5 a month.
Yeah, you know, guys like myself, I'm trading with multiple firms, and I switch from one to the other. Even though I do copy trade, there are times when I wish, you know, the market conditions are so in my favor or my setup is there that I wish I can be one and done and connect a couple of them. So this feature is quite amazing. You're the only one in the industry that's put this together. How long did it take you and your team to build this and bring it to market?
That's a very good question. The answer is that we needed a compiler for all internal needs, combining traders, combining Phoenix traders to all live accounts, like all firms do. And after month of development, it became to be a big project, as big as being able to sustain the whole company. So that's why we took the decision to export Tor instead of an internal use to an external use like it is right now.
Mm-hmm.
And to maybe every year, as I'm thinking, it's been a year or maybe 14 months.
How many traders tested Thor in your beta phase?
Maybe 500,000, I'd say.
Wow. Yeah, that's great. So yeah, this is amazing, guys. You should check. The website is Thor Trade Copier. There's a 14-day trial. I'll put that in the. Yeah, it is nice. I'll put that in the chat so you guys can have that for the YouTube, and whoever watches this later, I'll put it in the description below. And there's a link for my. So you could check it out and go to Phoenix Trader and get yourself an Ascension account or a Classic account, or even if you want to go for the review, get a Merit account. So you guys got it really nice layout structure, pretty much for everybody, from the beginner to the more advanced trader. Love it. Cool, boss. So what else you got? You want to do a giveaway to one of these lucky people of one of your accounts? You want to do a classic something? What do you think, man?
Yeah, of course. Let's do a giveaway. Let's give away classic starter account and how we will give it. I don't know, but we will definitely give it.
Cool. Let me tell these guys. Yo, guys, go over to my YouTube. I'm giving away a classic account right now. Chat something in the YouTube. Let's go, boss. You guys want a chance at one? Let's go. Get over there. All right. Told them suckers. All right. Let me open up the. The game. So here's how I do the giveaway. I do a YouTube giveaway right here. We do a YouTube comment picker.
Cool. Great.
So I enter the URL right there and start that baby. So this is the show. Load comments. I gotta log in. All right. Let me bring it to my other page so I can just log in real quick. I don't know why it's not logging me in real quick. Did this like yesterday. Okay, here we go. I'm back. Load comments. So here we go. Continue. This is a, what is it, 25K? Classic.
Yeah, exactly.
Phoenix. Trader funding. Eval account. One winner. Prize. We got the prize. Confirm. 31 contestants. Not bad. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Insane.
Tech Facts Global 2571. Let's go, baby. I'm sharing you out there. Congratulations. I'll post it on my Twitter and I'll post it in the here we go. So you guys, here's my video. How many we got? 79 watchers. Not bad. I'll take 79 today. At Tech Global right here. Tech Facts Global 2571. Tech Facts Global.
Are you ambitious to find him with that team name?
2571. DM me for your prize. And if you're not on Twitter, you better go make that name. DM Facts Global. Done. I'll post it on my YouTube. You won. Good job. I'll put out my email. mojodaytrading@gmail. Email me for your prize. Whoever doesn't get it, let's see if there's a substitute. Substitutes are Mr. Scat and BF40, BF43. Yesterday you were giving. Oh no, today you told me it was a bad short, and you were wrong because I scaled in like a champion. So if these guys don't come on, you guys are the alternates, BF and Mr. Scat. So yeah, DM me for your prize, boss. And thanks, Phoenix Trader Funding, for being a great guest on my show and introducing you to an amazing prop firm that I'm working with right now. And I give the thumbs up and highly recommend. And let's go on the journey together, growing and with the firm and being a great trader. And when you get your payouts, we will post them all over the internet and show the world, guys. That's what we're going to do. Look at this move on SQQ, 77. In rail grind, missing a big move. So when SQQ goes higher, the NASDAQ goes lower. Look how much it's gone lower, and I've missed this trade from 65. When you started, it was 1465. Now it's 77. Look how many red bars lower it went. And I'm a shorter. So that's a good short right there, boys. Let's see how my chat room's doing on that one. All right, here we go, guys. How you guys doing on that? How'd you guys do on that move through 65? Panda, did you do anything? Pearly, Rocket, Jorge, Kush, Doc, Abby. OG, anybody? It's 80. What are you doing?
The trade was strong.
It's I've run this room for 13. You making money? Doc, you're doing good. Let me show everybody how good Doc's been here for a week. Let's go back a week. Doc, I'm going to show everyone your results for a week. Doc, nice runner on a micro, $180. Pretty good. But that's nothing. Doc started over here 5 days ago. You ready, Doc? 4 days in a row. All right, Doc. What's up, Doc? What's up, Doc? All right, Doc. J-Dog, personal best. Let's go to Doc. 13 green days in a row for him. Yes, sir. That's how Mojo's people do it. Zord, we don't want him. Let's go to Doc. Only you, Doc. Here we go. Doc, second day. 776, 777, and 792. Doc, third day. There's Mojo. Nice. Doc, third day. 460 to 300, straight across the board. Doc, fourth day. 440 using the Mojo system across the board on every account. Doc, grateful for 100% profitable month for Yashar. Yashar can't get along without the Mojo. Day 5, day 6. Ooh, look at this guy, 11 grand in 2 accounts. OG. Wow. He's an OG. That's why he makes big money. He's big. Newbie, day 4, loving it. Day 4, Doc, beautiful growth on your accounts. Day 5, where's Doc? Here, Doc, runner. Doc, day 5, woohoo, beautiful across the board, Doc. You're doing great. And he doesn't copy trade. That's trading every account individually, one by one, like I've showed him, done one by one. Another great day, Doc, 7 in a row. Great job, Doc. Good job, Doc. His PST Gladiator accounts made right there, 300 on 7 of them. That's a $2,100 day for Mr. New Trader Brian. Nice. 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 Doc, where are you?
Thanks to you, man.
I love you too, boss. Thank you, boss. So where's Doc? Doc. Here, Doc, another day. Day 8. 500 across the board, Doc. Beautiful. What about day 9? Doc, day 9, boss. Look at this. Another fine day. Great week, Doc. Beautiful, my man. Beautiful. That's it. You're done. Great job, Doc. That's how my traders roll, bro. I teach them how to trade the micros and scale in and scale out like a champion. Good job, Doc. Good job, Lewis. Look at you roll, 244. And everyone makes the same. $100, $200, $300. Move on to the next and done. Look, 86. Holy shit. Look at the. I know, dude. Look at this move, dude. Look. 86 now, dude. Look how much it's gone down.
Wow.
I know. He said the wow. Leon just said the wow trade play. It's going higher. Everybody add to your position. Let me show you. I'm not joking. Look, you just did the wow trade play. Let me show you what it is. Look. Search. Wow. Done. You picked it. Wow. Everybody that says wow. Let me go to the screen. Hold on. Watch. Look at this. Every single time anyone says wow, it's documented in the chat room forever. 13 years, never not gone higher after you say wow. Look, 13 years worth of the wow trade play. Look, every single time you say wow, it goes higher. Look, every time. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, in my opinion, wow, every single time. Let me show you the wow every single time, dude. It works, and you said it. So let me show you the image.
The result.
Yeah, it's unbelievable, dude. Unbelievable. So let me show you the image of the wow trade play. You're going to love this.
So what goes higher, the Nasdaq or the
Yeah, this is the
inverted
Nasdaq. Yep. Should go to 15 now.
Okay. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
the sort of inverted Nasdaq. Okay.
Let's see here. Learning boards, learning boards. Here we go. All right, I got my learning boards open. Let me switch the screen. Do some showing. Screen, boom, 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 boom. All right, so we have the wow. First, I'll show you the wow. Here's the wow. Boom, 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 boom. Right there. That's the wow. So every single time, all someone has to do, and it's in the trade playbook in Mojo University, is say wow, and that thing is just powerful as shit. Love it at the current price. Should go higher. That's what the wow is.
Okay, wow, that's a real thing. Incredible.
Here's the V-band. This is how I teach. This is my learning board for the 1 minute bar ignites into the V-band. These are my learning boards right here. So I'll show you a couple of other ones. This is, let's show you, rail grind. So here's the rail grind, and it's in rail grind right now. So once the trade starts moving in your favor, you can see here, let me just reduce the chart. Once the trade starts moving in your favor, it'll go above, see the pink line is the stochastics. So as it starts getting green and climbing higher, it starts down here and it chairlifts higher into 80% on the stochastics. And as long as it stays above 80%, I call it the rail grind, you stay in the trade. It helps you with exits and holding runners. So you don't exit out of the position when you say wow or you're up a lot. You refer to this. And this can go on and on and on for a long time to the right. And what I do is I call it the rail grind. It's like I take the chairlift higher and I'm bouncing off the rails on my snowboard all above on that line right there. And if you see right here, it's a patented move. If I go to the futures course, right here, watch the rail grinds, bro. You ready? Well, I'll just show you a couple. Ready? See how it chairlifts higher into the rail grind? Different day. Chairlift. You ever been on a chairlift on a ski mountain? You have each person is in one of those chairs in front of you. Okay? And it goes higher. Oh, it stops right there. That's when, the chairlift stops. I hate when it stops, but then it picks up again and it goes on and then it stops again. Someone fell off, but then it treks up again, all up into the rail grind. Okay? Look how long this one stayed up there. Tremendous move. It went from 1750 to 18. Look at this one. Double rail grind. Look at this one. Rail grind. Straight up chairlift into rail grind. Straight up chairlift into rail grind. Every one of them is the same. It's the straight up chairlift into rail grind. Every time, every day it happens. Straight up chairlift into rail grind. And you stay. That's how I can hold an $180 micro runner.
Wow.
Chairlift up into rail grind. Stopped right there. Kept on going back up. Look how long this one is. What I do is I start with the 2-minute chart. It chairlifts up into rail grind. I switch to the 5-minute chart. It's getting into rail grind. Now it's 80% on the 5-minute chart. Now I switch to the 15-minute chart. And it's up in rail grind. Look how long it stayed above the 80% on the 15-minute. It went from on September 2nd for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, for 5 hours. it stayed in the bullish zone for rail grind. That's what everybody needs to know, is this rail grind pattern on the stochastics. It helps you stay in trades and enter trades on the bottom very accurately. See, this rail grind into chairlift, if it breaks through that, it's going to continue to go to the right. I'm going to switch from the 2-minute chart to the 5-minute chart. Another one and another day. Every picture is a different day. That's 2 days later, same thing. Every picture is a different day, doing the same exact move. It's fucking incredible.
So the setup shows like once a day, something around that.
Every time, yep. Every single day it does the rail grind. It'll trek up, start to get bullish, and stay above that line. Every single time. Here's another one. Breaking through 1550, it's going to go to 1570. Breaking through $15, it's going to go to 1510. Went to 1514. See? So right from here, at 15, at 1321 on 10-3. Oh, that's a different date. 10-9. This one is a $36 runner.
Wow.
Yeah, and that's how you do it. That's how you do it, boss. That's how I do it. You know? And the chat room loves it, man. So here's a move through mini highs, 1550, 1551, 1553, 1554, 1556. That's the look. That so much money is being made. This is what I teach: the move through 1550. I'm all in. The market will take my bet. With pocket aces at the table, I go all in. Half the table will fold. I won't win all their money, but some people may stay, or everyone will fold, and I win nothing. With the stock market and futures, I'm all in. The market takes my bet. I'm shorting right now. If this stock goes higher, you see the signal at 50, the 3,048. You see him? At 1550. He's sticking out like a sore thumb, Leon. 300,480 shares for sale on the ask. 1 penny above the current ask. You see him sitting there? He's getting a rebate. He's adding liquidity to the market. It's going to go right through him. If I polled 100 traders and said, hey, look at all those shares on the ask, is it going to go higher or lower? They would say it was going to go lower. Most people teach that, but that's the other way around. It costed me $1 million of my own money and 3 years to realize to grab my balls and buy because it's going higher. I used to be the other person. Watch how fast it goes up. 1247.52. 1248. Went through. Look, took the 50s in freaking 20 seconds. Okay? Watch. 53.54. Look at the ask. See the 1347 sitting there like the 302 was? Look. See him? 1347, a penny above the ask. See him?
Yes.
That's where it's going. Look. Right through him, 55.56. Where's the biggest number? There is none. It's going higher. 58.59. I got a $155 micro runner at this point in rail grind. Okay, look, in rail grind. See it? Right above your head. Look. In rail, look at that rail grind. Chair lifted up, stalled, trekking back up, stalled right where I was going to get off and start skiing. It stopped and went back before it went up and I started skiing. Right there, it's like the chairlift in front of me. I was about to get off and it stopped. I'm like, are you kidding me? But look at my runner, $154. Then it goes 57.58. See the large ask? the 789 versus the 200. He's sitting there for a rebate. Don't sell. It's going higher into the 60s. Watch. And that's what it does. It goes 60, 61. My runner now is $178 micro runner. You're going to say, wow, it's going higher. It's going higher. Watch. 66, 67, 68, 69. And that's it. That's how it works. $160 runner again on this one through 50. That's a different trade on a different day. This one was on 10, 10 at, this was a $200 runner at 12 o'clock, and this was a $160 runner at 2 o'clock. How many people do that? Not many. Not many. Here we go. $126 runner. It went to 74. See that? It went from 58 to 74 in rail grind. Look at that. And I have a $120 runner. That's how it works. And then it went from here, told you it was going to go through 16, and look what it did through 16. Power, power, power. 1603. What this is called a cross market. Anyone looking at the bar, Leon, doesn't know that the New York Stock Exchange wants to buy 1603 so bad that he's willing to come up as a cross market and show his hand it's going to 1604 by 5. I'll bet you 100 to 1 odds. If it doesn't go higher, I'll give you $1 million. If it does go higher, you give me $100. That's how positive I am that I can enter a short here, have an edge in the market, that my short is great timing and it's going higher on SQ and lower on the NASDAQ. Watch. 1605. Cross market. Memex, Bats, and Arca all want it so bad, they cross-marketed the 5s to the 6s. I'm crushing it on this trade. And it goes all the way to 1640. It goes from at 1010, 01 to right there. It went up 40 cents. Biggest fucking move ever. Yep, wow is right. It went from 1450 to 1640. My options are up 500%. It went to 1660 in the after hours. And I said it right there. Oh my God. Wow, trade play. Look at the move it made for the Mojo. Going through my system, it fell from 25,400 to 24,000. 1,400 point move nailed in the Mojo room. Sweet, right?
How much move were you able to take home?
That was the move I took home. Right there, boss.
100% of the move.
Say that again?
You took sometimes actually a lot of times people see a great move and they are not able to go through the full move because they take profit for
not with the rail grind. Always hold one. Never sell one. This way you're in the green. If you're up at $50 and it goes to 25, add back and sell back when you're up at $50 level again. You see this image of the level 2? $14.99 by 15. I'll bet you $5 million I'll give you if it doesn't go through 15, and if it doesn't, I'll give you $5 million. If it does, give me $5. You see the dark pools? You see the white numbers right there that I put the asterisk by right here? 14.9999. You see that? It's called a dark pool. It's level 3 institutional buying. Me and you don't have access to that. That's Goldman Sachs, high frequency trading through all of the firms. And what they're doing is they're trading between the bid and the ask high volume orders that don't affect the current market. It's called a dark pool. And 60% of the volume every day is dark pools. Transactions that are happening between the bid and the ask that you don't see in any candle or nobody sees. I could see it right here. Now, since they're printing 1/10 of a penny underneath the 15, that is the signal that it's going higher. If these prints were 14.00001, 0.099, and it was closer to the bid side, it would go lower. But since it's 1/10 of a penny, practically 15, that's the signal that it's going to go higher. Watch how high this thing goes. 15. And here it is, 1498 by 97, 98 by 99, 15 by 1501. You see the NASDAQ down here, the 2226 and the 2269 versus Chicago with the 1. He's got a 1. They're getting rebates. I guarantee you $50 million. If it doesn't go higher, I'll give it to you. If it does, pay me 5. Good bet, right? You would never in your mind think that thing is going higher. It freaking rocks, bro. 1501 by 2. Look at the ask. 380,000 shares for a rebate on the ask, followed by another 300,000 at 03. And there it goes, 0203, 0203, 02. And that's the move. And it went to 1563. From 1503, 1502 to 1560. I'm telling you, the level 2 tells you what's happening with the market. And if people follow charts and just rely on the bar, you're providing myself and these market makers liquidity off your money to perform in the market. And that's what it's all about, boss. So I'm glad you got a great learning lesson, and I taught my room today. You guys hear all that? You all owe me $25 for that lesson today. I'll charge $25 lesson today. Okay? $25. You said wow. Leon, where'd you say wow? At 86?
Yeah.
You said wow at 86. It's 93. So Leon, yeah, you said wow again. He just said wow again. He just said it again. He did. I heard him. I heard him. He said it. It's going to 15 now. I heard him say it again, guys. He said it first at 85. It went to 82. It's at 92. It's going to 15 now. He said it again. Everyone thank Leon for making it work. I love him. Yeah. Chat room loves you, boss. You're making it work. You're making it work. It went to, where'd it go? It went to 94. Good job, dude. Yeah, man, you can come and trade your account with me, man. You want to make money like this every day, Leon. It's like easy. You can show your profits in the chat room and, along with the team. Come on for 5 minutes, 500 to 1,000. Yeah, they're talking to you. Go ahead. What, Rocket? Tell them. That's a good lesson, huh, Rocket? You like that? Nice. Well, you're going to have to go do it now, Rocket. I showed you how to trade. Let's go. And that's it, man. So trading is a heck of a lot of fun. It's miserable to do it alone. It's great to own a firm like Leon, man, huh? Fucking have everything at your disposal. Are you allowed to trade for your own firm, or is that a conflict of interest? You could trade, right?
Trading for my own firm. Yeah. not in Simfender because that's a good podcast, but I still trade for all live accounts.
Yeah, because what's his name for Tradeify? He trades his firm's accounts and brags how much money he makes and shit. So yeah, if I had the firm, I'd be trading that shit, showing everyone that the owner knows what he's doing too, man. I don't just know how to set up a good business and run it. I know how to profit from it. So there you go. All right, guys, buy the dip before it goes back to 90 right now. Entry, add 87, add 88, and add 89. There's 87. And that's it, man. We just sit here, we trade all day long. There's 87. There's 88. Told you. Look at the dark pools. 8.69999999. See them all going off? Told you went to 88. See how I just did that? You watch them, but it's to tell you right there which direction it's going. Look, 8.6669, 5,000. See that? Went right to 88 again. Told you. Right there, they tell you which way it's going. It's like, hey, Mike, don't wait a second. Don't rush. It's going to go lower. Or hurry, Mike, add. It's going higher like that. See, 89. Told you. It was going back from 85. And all that does is make red bars on the NASI right here. Told you 90. Told you. Look at the ask. Huge. Taking a rebate. 1,700 on the ask. See it? At 90. Look at them. 90, 1,700. You're taking them. 90, 91. Told you. Here it goes. 8.99. Told you on the dark pool. See, I told you. It's amazing. You can just know which way it's going to go by watching the prints and which way they're printing.
Quick question. Did you never think to automatize this process? Because it's, I must say it's very clear with very clear entry and exit conditions. You like have a robot to at least flag them for you?
Yes, what I'm looking into accomplish now, and if you could help me with that, because other people have said it's a great idea also. 5 years ago, I hired a Python programmer to do that, and he was kind of like from India and had hard times communicating, and it was very costly. But now with AI and the development tools with Python, I can just describe my strategy and it will build the bot for me. But I want to do it like you did with Thor, do it right, have a site for it, market it correctly, because it's a home run, man. You know, if everything's programmed, it wouldn't really do anything until 98. At 98, 1498, the program would go all in and take full size position through 15. Right now, you're gambling. At 90 to 90 in this range, there's a high probability of making money by watching the level 2, but you're cashing and grabbing. The real trade hasn't happened yet. It's at 14.98, 4 cents above the current high. Once the bid goes to 98 and the ask is 99, I want the bot to trigger in an all-in short. It'll go right through 15. I want the bot to sell an eighth of the position at 15.04, an eighth of the position at 15.09, quarter of it's gone. Save the other quarter for 19, 11 to 19. Half is gone, and then trail stop the other half into rail grind. And if I could program that into a bot, I'll just turn it on. When it Heinz is 98, it'll automatically do the trade. It'll automatically make the profits, and it'll be a very high. I've never seen one not go through the whole number. So it'll work every time. We just got to set it for 98. Right here at 92, it's like ketchup. It's going to go back and forth. It ain't going to come out of the bottle. So you got to tap it. 93, it's getting stronger. 94, here we go. 95, I'm adding. The program added at 95. So now it's in half of the position. The program will go all in at 98. 96, here we go. I'm so glad this is live. 97, here we go. You said wow at 85 and at 92, 97, 98. I'm all in. Look at the ask, how big it is. They're getting rebates. Look how big the red bars are on the NASDAQ, my short. If you had your no consistency rule, I'd be up $5,000 on your account right now, boss. So right now it's like a bottle of ketchup. I call it the Heinz. Back and forth, back and forth. At 99, hasn't gotten there. It'll go so fast, you won't believe it. Right now it's slow. It hasn't made its move yet. At 99, I'll bet you $100 million it goes through 15. If it doesn't, I'll give you $100 million. If it does, you give me $5. I'll bet you $100 million at $14.99 on the ask. It's going to go through 15. It's an algorithm, bro. There's a computer doing it. They said, buy me 10 million shares, limit 15. Watch. High frequency trading. Here it goes, 97. Here it goes, 98. You want to bet? I'll give you 1,000,000 to 1 odds. You want to bet? You bet me it doesn't go through 15. Bet me. Bet me. Come on.
I bet you. I bet you go to 15.
Good. I'll give you 100 to 1 odds on a dollar.
Okay,
so if it doesn't, I'll give you 100. If it does, you give me $1. Good bet.
Okay.
Let's go, baby. He's going to lose, guys. He's going to lose. He's going to lose.
Let's see about that.
I know. I know. Anybody else in the chat room want to take that bet with me? It's weak. Look how weak it is. 94. Look how weak. Anybody want to bet? 93. Come on, guys. Who wants to bet? I'll double the odds with you. 92. It's so weak. Come on, bet me, guys. Everyone doesn't want to bet. All right. But I'm telling you.
Results.
I wanted to get. We'll wait at 12 o'clock. It's 11:59:45. See if they like 12 o'clock gonna rocket it higher. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and here's 12 o'clock. 94, 95. Come on. Here it goes. 95. Look how fast it's wiggling now. Such an order. You could tell it's a high frequency institutional order that's buying that. Look at the orders. Look at all the buys. See all the greens? It's just a continuous market order. They're just buying and buying. They're buying 100 million. They probably got 5 million done. There's 98. You want to double the bet?
Nope.
Double the bet, Leon? I'll triple it. You want to go $3 and 300?
Nope.
All right. Here it comes, baby. 97. 98. It's like a bottle of ketchup, man. It's just, once it gets over 15, it'll go to 15.10 in 2 seconds versus the 10 cents it took a half hour right here. Here's 98. You sure you don't want to change your mind? You can get back out of it now. I'll give you a back out. I'll back you out right now. You can back out of it. I am screen sharing. No, 99. I'm all in.
99.
15. Touchy. I'm in. Let's go. I'm screen sharing now, Brad, for you. Don't worry. Don't worry, buddy. I just turned it on. My room's like, I can't see. They're all blind. 15, Brad. 15.
It's 99.
It doesn't matter. It's gonna patience. It's down 6 cents. The formula calls for an up 6 cents, so it's a little bit weak because it's still red on the day. But just give it a minute or two.
And what's the limit? Like at which point we just it did 99 and now it's at 80, so it's last.
Oh, it's not. It's not done yet. See, here's 97.
You have a limit usually of like okay, it's 99, but
I started at 90. I started at 90, so still at 95, I'm up a bunch. Anything above 92 is profit. Once it went above 90. 92, 93. Just patience. Patience.
And since we're patient, what's the platform you are using to see this?
It's called the DOS. It's called the DOS Trader Pro.
DOS Trader Pro. It's
Yep,
just
DOS
for
Trader.
trading, isn't it?
I've been using it for 20 years. So I'm very used to seeing the colors. The colors separate the prices in the level 2. See, the yellow at top separates the 94s and the 95s. So it gives you a clear view of what it looks like and shit. That's how it works. And then you look for the biggest.
You have everything concentrated in one screen, or you have a screen with other infos?
This is it. And I trade on. I keep the DOM on my other screen. So I order entry. I watch this screen and I order entry on my other screen. If I bring the order entry screen on this main screen, for some reason it looks like they watch me and it goes against me. As soon as I pull it back over, it works in my favor. I don't know why it does that, but it seems to do. So I share like this. I share the chart and the level 2 because this is all we're watching is the level 2, waiting for it to go to 15 and squeeze like a banshee and go from red to green. So a 5-cent move from red to green would bring this at 15.01 and it would be up 1 penny. So 2 strong things are in our favor, the red to green move and the $15 roll. And you could see there's an institutional market order happening right here. There it is. Look, dude, it's going to take it right now. There's 99 again, boss. Guess what? 98, 99. Look at the size of the orders going through in the time and sales.
It's insisting.
It's trying. It's trying. It's trying. 97, 98. Let's go. I got an earache today. My left ear is like, oh, it died. It died. It went to 99. Let's see if they squeeze it back up. Gosh, I thought I was in a position over here. My screen blinked. I'm like, oh my gosh, I better not be in a position. I haven't been looking at it for like, you've been on the show I haven't looked over on that for an hour. Would have been nice because I was short earlier at 50. If I was in something, I would have been up. All right, my man. Give it another minute.
By the way, you know that we do this kind of thing if you really want to develop this, but
oh yeah,
we can really help.
Yeah, I definitely want to get together with you after this and develop a bot program. It's only for for the even number role play. That's it. It's the only thing I want to develop it for the $50 at 48 and 49, and this at 98 and 99. And that's it. So I'd love to develop that. Right, Mojos? You'd all buy it. $99 a month subscription. Every one of you. Every one of you. Every one of you. Because that shit, we've been looking for that for 10 years. I got a guy in my chat room that's made $100 million on that Hines move. Even number roll. OG Hines. This guy in my
really? $100 million.
This guy in my chat room right here, I'll show you. So right here, this is Mouse. OG Mouse right here. Check it out.
Driver, aka ProTrader Mouse, in the Mojo trading room.
So watch this. So this guy did an interview on Blog Talk Radio. He took out 3 credit card cash advances for $80,000 and started to do the Heinz trade play. Watch how much money he made.
Driver, aka ProTrader Mouse, in the Mojo Trading Room.
Can you hear that?
He has been very successful in so many different endeavors that he's been involved in, and somehow has managed to fight, claw, and hustle his way to becoming America's newest millionaire trader, which I think is truly remarkable, especially in today's world where you're fighting with so much more big money and bigger losses and faster moving market. So, Randy, thanks so much for coming on.
Alex, thanks for the wonderful
That's
introduction. I greatly appreciate it. So I
100
sat back and I
million.
said, well, I've got to do something. I got into real estate. One thing would link to another, which would lead to another, and eventually I was actually a real estate developer, building speculator, hard money lender, riding the world of happy success until 2008, where everything came to a screaming crash, unbelievable halt. But it took me a number of years to dig out from the real estate crash. And my wife sat down, slapped me upside the head, and said, you've got to do something with your life, because doing what you're doing now isn't going to cut it. So I sat there and I said, all right, I'm going to take a cash advance because all my money was still tied up in real estate. And the banks weren't lending money against real estate holdings. Went to a credit card, which I had 4 of them, and I borrowed $20,000 cash advance off each credit card.
Yeah, you did.
Put that into a trading account, and with my eyes open and my brain closed, I started to day trade.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, obviously trading itself, for those that haven't traded before, intraday traded, is also known as day trading.
As I've learned, and now I've become keenly aware after trading with Mojo's day trading for the last 9 months, is number 1, trade with your eyes.
So he made right here in the first 8 weeks, traded 7 of the 8 for $143,000. Here's a small trader made 20 grand year to date with the Heinz system. Watch how much money he made.
Is number 1. Oh, you gotta watch that. Your friend. Trade the trend. Trade the volume. The moment that volume begins to dry, you're scaling out with your profits. Because at the end of the day, or as I found, and I've been forcing
education and experience, which he's able to into.
So right here, he's up.
Which he's able to accumulate.
His first million on August 8th of 2014. He was 72,000 away from his first million. And here's he talks about the Heinz.
It's going to go through it, and we trade through the down. Magic number is a stock might be approaching a whole number, $8 a share, $9 a share, $55 a share. And he sees that, and in our journals, we've written down, 1,000,000 times that this stock, when it goes up to that level, 9 times out of 10, it's going to go through it.
Yeah, it is.
And we trade through the magic numbers many times. And if a trader, a learning and aspiring to be trader, does scans and looks for stocks that are at $7.95, and they scale into that to break the magic number of 8, and then they're finishing scaling out at 807, and he does that 3 times a day. At the end of the year, he'll be making $150,000, $200,000 a year just by doing one simple type of trade. And the best thing that Mojo's room does is really identifies those trades and maximizes those trades like no other room I've ever witnessed.
Yep.
Yeah, and that's actually another thing that I started to.
And he did it too. The owner of Blog Talk Radio came on and joined my room too, and he was starting to do the Heinz trade. So I definitely want to bang that out with you and make it happen, man, for sure, because at 98, 99, man, I'm still in this fucking. Look at VXX going by the high-low list. VXX, the volatility index. Look at VXX. It's totally going to go up through 15. VXX is the volatility short of the market. That's the VIXI, the VXX and the VIXI. See, the VIXI just went by, dude. The VIXI, look. That's the volatility index of the market. This hasn't gone up in 8 months. Today is the only day it's working. Look. It lasts 2 or 3 only fucking days it's working. I'm telling you, dude. Where's my SQQ? This may be the move. 95. Come on, baby, for Leon and Mike. Let's go. Let's go, baby. 96, 97. Follow VIXI. Just made a new high. SQQ's got to make a new high. So yeah, let's get together on that, Leon, and build the bot for the Hinds. Love it. Let's take a look. What's NVIDIA? NVIDIA's all up too, coming down a little bit. What about Apple? Apple's red, $1.31. Microsoft's.
You look at the stocks usually.
Oh yeah, like these stocks, they'll be like downtrending, going from green to red. Like Microsoft's going to lose 28 cents and go red. Google will probably lose the $2 and go under 250. So yeah, it looks really good, confirming my trade and what I'm looking at with the NASDAQ strength. I look for weakness in NVIDIA, Microsoft, Apple, and Tesla. Tesla's down $2. It leads the market. Look, it dropped in the last half hour from 438. It dropped $7 in a half hour. So the orders may be going in. Get my shorts and get my another million shares, another million shares, another million shares, and they just keep on putting in orders, the institutions. As these things sell, they hedge with SQQ because that's the inverse. So if the Apple's going down, you want to be long that. NVIDIA's going down, Tesla's going down, you want to be long SQQ. Or if you have those stocks and you're experiencing a downdraw of death, hedge yourself with that kind of stock right there. Because if those go down, that will go up. Let's go, baby. 94, 95. Come on, baby. Do it for the show. Don't make me look bad.
And if you could be right, I'm winning my bets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still down 10 cents though. It's got that. Got to make that back. Once it gets to 99, it'll be like even, and then poof. I still believe in it, man. It's just catch up. Bottle. Got to tap it. You don't know how many times you got to tap it in order for it to go. But yeah, it's a game of patience. The trading game. You know, if it was so like, it's patience, man. Got to be patient.
What's really impressive is that you have testimonies from someone 10 years ago talking about this same strategy. It's extremely rare that strategy with a night wing.
You want to hear someone live? Bradley. Brad, come on the mic, please. JC's been with me. This guy for 13 years. OG JC pays me $149 a month. For 13 years, he was the second guy ever in Mojo day trading. Bradley, come on the microphone, Brad. Brad's been with me for 11 years.
Ever.
Look, look at this, $62,000 on a 50K account, trading 38 days. Look at him. He's a beast, dude. He's a beast. He's been with me. He's been with me a long time. Let's go back and back and back and back.
Yeah, very long time.
No, he started Discord with me back and back and back and back. He started like the Discord with me. This is 2023. We can go like 8 years, probably like 6 years back maybe for him. You know, and look, APEC beginning and shit. Look at all that. But this guy, Brad, you're going to come on the mic? You're not there? See how long he's been with me? 2022. He's been with me. It goes back forever, dude. Forever. 2020. 2020. Jan, 2019. There we go, 2019. His name is Brad Bacchus. Amazing.
Impressive.
Yeah, amazing. And OGJC. Brad, you're not going to come on the mic? You're not there, really? Damn. How about you, JC? How about you, Abby? Are you there? No. All right. Too bad. I'd like you to hear from them because they're real. They've been here every day. Oh, he's gone every day for fucking years. Now he's gone. It's going to go to fucking 15. Look at that shit. Oh my God. He just left. And it's 96. I know. He just left and it went to 97. Look, he just left. And it's going to Hines. Can you fucking believe it? He got banged off. 97. Come on, bitch. I think he's back on. He's back on. Oh, yeah. I'm like, oh my God, he left. It's 97 again. It's going to Hines. And it's going to Hines when he's gone. No way. And he's back. Look, 97. Look, 98. Vixie. Come on, Vixie power. Oh, it's totally. Brad, where are you? Abby, are you there? Okay. $97, $98.
Oh, wow.
Oh, he said, wow. It's finally going to work. Thank gosh. I needed you to say that, dude. Gosh. He finally said, wow. Jeez. Finally, man. Jeez. Finally. Penny pincher at 96. Here it goes. Penny, I told you. Penny pincher at 96. I saw him come in. 97, 98. Here we go. 98, 99. Let's go, baby. 98, 99. He owes me money. Here's 15. Mojo power. Let's go. 15. It touched it, baby. You owe me money, fucker. Let's go, baby. Told ya. 1501. Told ya. You owe me. Ching.
Well played.
Look how fast it's going. Watch 03, 04, 05. I told you 06. Told ya. Yes, sir. You ain't making me look bad, market. I'm all in. Pay me, baby. Add a half. Sell half. Hold half. 5. Here we go. Touch 11 right to 19. In rail grind. Look above our head. Look. Right here in rail grind. Told ya. Look. Chairlift. It took a long time. Chairlift. Rail grind. Told ya. Boom. Yes, sir, Mojos. Nobody's better than the Mosh. 1506. Told ya. Brad, get off the call, dude. Come on, Bubba. Call the person back. Come on, Bradley. Here he is. Yes, sir, Bubba. Where you been? Brad, how long you been with Mojo Day Trading? Hold on, let me put this back on. Share. Bradley.
Yes, sir.
How long you been with Mojo Day Trading?
I think it's been 8 years.
8 years. And you pay $150 a month. We know that. That's the sub rate. Let me ask you a question. In that time, how many Hines trades have you seen approximately, would you say? And many, and
How many Hines trades?
and many, hundreds a year, hundreds over your whole time. How many in total have you seen?
Hundreds a month. I mean, yeah. So Hines trade, I've never seen one fail.
Never seen one not work, Leon. I have been doing it for 13 years. He's been doing it for 8. I documented in 2013, 14, and 15, I documented 10,000 Hines trades in a row without losing. 50 cents on the dollar roll. We did it for 5,000 trades in 2 years. Then we added another 2 years, and it took 4.5 years to do 10,000 consecutive trades in a row, all going through the whole dollar. So I know this system works. That's why I'm in business. I'm as good as my last trade. And as long as I keep on sitting here giving people these Heinzes and mini Heinzes, they'll tip the dealer and pay me a subscription. Wouldn't you? If you're at the casino and the dealer,
with that. That sounds insanely good.
you're in the casino and the dealer gives you those chips, you better be like, thank you, dealer. Here's a chip back for you. Can we develop this bot, please?
Sure, I'm extremely excited to do that, to see if it can obviously be automatized as the way you describe it, but yeah, I'm very excited to have this working. And we already have like 99% of the thing. So
yeah, did you see how fast it went through 15? Like a hot bottle of ketchup. I told you, the 6 cents that it moved there, it took an hour and 10 minutes to do for me and you earlier. It's how it is, dude. It's like, that's why I call it the Heinz. It's like a bottle of ketchup. It doesn't move under the number. Once over the number, forget about it.
Wow.
So thank you guys. For everybody, show your profits in the chat room, man. Share your profits and put it in the thing, and have a great afternoon and a good lunch. I'm done for the day, guys. I hope you are, because if you're not, you're seriously messed up and screwed up as a trader. If you didn't make tons of money doing that with me right now and done for the day, you better go check yourself in the mirror and send me a message later telling me what a fool you are, and you need a good bitch slap. So everybody have a great day, and thank Leon for being here. You made $8,000, bro? 8,000. Holy shit, really? He made 8,385, 8,360, and 5,375 on that Heinz trade just now with me. That's real money. He just made $21,000 live with the Mosh. Brad, my man, he's a monster, dude. Just a monster. Yep, congratulations. And these are all my pro traders. You have in the room right here, OGs. Bo has been with me for 12 years. Brad, 8. JC, 13 years he's been with me. Kent, first trader with me. Lifetime subscription, 20 grand. Paid me 13 years ago, $20,000. Never has to pay again. You know how much money he's made? $100 million. This guy, Mar, OG Mar, monster. 10 years with me. OG MC, swing trader, not in the chat room, but in my swing newsletter, also has made in the area of $50 million. Yep.
Oh.
It's unbelievable. Off the swing newsletter. I got swing trades. I got a swing newsletter that I put out that some of these guys are in also. And then I got my pros. So these are guys all that taken my course and have been in my coaching. And then I've got a lot of OGs offline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 OGs that have been with me for 8 years and longer. My shit works. If they wouldn't be on a subscription of $149, everyone is paying me every month, if my system didn't make them $100 million. All they do is bank all day long. And they've been with me forever. There's Mouse right here. He's a $100 million guy. And then all the pros underneath, dude. I'm telling you, I love the chat room. Got to grow it more. Because as a poker player, look, it's 15:08 by 9. You said wow again, dude. I saw you. Look.
Yeah, but
you said it again.
For the results of your traders, not for
Look, you said it again. It's 10, 11. Look, touchy 11, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I told you it's selling half now at 11. The program is that we just developed. Still in it. Look, rail grind. Look, rail grind. I switch. Now you switch to the 5-minute. Look, it's just entering rail grind. 15-minute. Never sell it. We've been in this thing, dude, since you said the first wow. Look, at 1484. That's where you said the first wow right there. We've been in it ever since, dude. You said the first wow at 84. We've been in it ever since. Look at it.
Impressive.
It's amazing. It really is impressive. It really is. It's 1508 by 9, touchy 11. Amazing. Guys, I'm stunned again. Stunned again. And Leon's going to help me make a bot, dude, so we can all just like not trade and sit here and let the bot make the decisions for us.
Yeah.
I like that.
The easy life.
Yeah, man. The easy life with a program that, as a poker player, I wouldn't do it because we all compete for the same pot at the table. Your money's in there, my money's in there. You want that money, I want that money. So I'm not going to tell you my system and how I'm going to beat you because there's only a limited amount of money. But with the stock market and these futures, if you did those trades with me, you would have made 20 grand too, Leon. You're not taking anything from me. I'm only helping you. So I'll do it all day long, and I'll teach as many people as I can. That's my philosophy. That's my philosophy. You're not taking a penny from me, so go ahead and do it. More power to you. And yeah, man, I got options on SQQ. I bought options when we started, and you said wow on my Robinhood. Let me see where those are at. Dude, you know, that's what you do. Like if you say wow or see the hinds, you open up your special account, the account and you bang out the big trade. That's what you do. Yeah, I'm up 66% on my option right now on SQQ. Not bad, 66%. I think it's going to go higher. I think it's going to go higher. Guys, you have any questions for Leon possibly in the audience before we end the show?
Yeah, I would be glad to answer those if I can. It's a good occasion. You're completely right. Yeah. If you have any.
All right. You guys got no questions on YouTube or nothing like that? That's fine. It's been a really good show. I'm glad it happened, and it happened in a big way. And everybody made money. So if you watched the Mojo show, we got a touchy 11 situation. Same dark pools at 0.9999 are going across that happened at 14.9999. It's the same thing at just a different price. That's all. So thanks again, man, for everything.
Well, thank you for teaching teaching me.
Vixie.
Basically.
Look at Vixie. Yeah, look at Vixie. Unbelievable. All right, we got the move 11 to 19. Yes, sir. Money, 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 money. I told you, great job, Brad. It just sold another eighth of the position, dude. We're still in rail grind. Look. That's a fucking good run, Panda. You want to see how big the red bar is on the NASDAQ? Look. Look, Leon. Look at the chart on the NASDAQ inverse to SQQ right now at 1523. Dude, my option just jumped from 66% to 100%. Look. Just that move right there. Went from 66%. Come on, baby. Jump. 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 I'm playing jump. No, I'm playing my song. I'm playing my song. Here we go. This is my song, Leon. Alive. Alive. Want to be alive.
Great moves.
Look at it. Look at it. So strong. So strong. Bobo. New high, 23. New high, 23. There it is. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes, sir. Accelerator nickel. Accelerator nickel. Oh, I'm up 100%. Woohoo! Told you. That's called an accelerator nickel. Once it touches 26, it's going to fly to 30. Once it touches 36, going to fly to 40. Once it touches 16, going to fly to 20. 46 to 50. 56 to 60. 66 to 70. 76 to 80. 86 to 90. It's called an accelerator nickel. Those nickels, boom, are fly, dude, versus a decelerator nickel where it goes under 25, it'll go 24, 23, 22, 21 in a decelerator nickel right now. So I have accelerator nickels and decelerator nickels, depending upon the ladder from 15 to 16 and what the price is, because that's all I trade is price. So I know what SQQ is going to do at every single price and in every 5-cent zone. We're in a decelerator zone. See, 23, 22. We're decelerating back down versus the accelerator when it went 26 for the first time right to 30. That's all I teach, dude. Once it goes to 36, it's going to rip to 40. But it won't do it until it gets to 36, 5 cents above the high. Just like it did at 98, 99. At certain prices, it does certain things. And that's what I teach. So you can anticipate the move in the contract before it makes the move in anticipation of what you see with your eyes. Look at that move, 30-31. Just amazing. How many times you're going to say, wow, guys? I told you. Should I sell my option? I'm up 98.77% right now. Should I sell some? Dude, I didn't know fucking Robinhood puts you on day trade restrictions for scalping out of options. I tried to like sell part the other day and they're like, day trade restriction, you sure you want to? All right, I'm going to put in a sell higher than it currently is. I'm going to put in a sell for half of them. Let's go half at point. I bought them at 0.03. They're at 0.06. I'm going to put it in for 0.8. Low likelihood to fill. Shut up. I don't like that Robinhood does that. They're like, high likelihood to fill, low likelihood to fill. You don't know what you're talking about. It's going to 1550, dude. I have a high likelihood to fill. Robinhood doesn't know what they're talking about, dude. I put it in option to sell, and they're like low likelihood to fill. I'm like, dude, you're wrong. It's a high likelihood to fill because it's going to 1550. Fucking bastards. Dude, Leon's going to help me make the Mojo bot, the Heinz bot. And I'm going to sell it to you for $149 a month now. You had the chance. I put out the waiting list for $99. You didn't jump on it. Now, since I proved, that was before it went through 15. Now that Leon and I proved it and I showed it to you, it's $149 a month. No doubt. No doubt. I'm even thinking $199 now a month. It'll make you so much money.
I think
and if the Heinz doesn't work during the shit, we'll credit you back the month. I have 13 years of back testing to prove it. That it'll go through every time. So yeah, let's rock and roll.
I think anyway,
like
if we do make this bot and it works like you have said it would, I think you will restrict the number of clients, because, well, a bot that is available publicly never works for long, because, well, if you have like 1,000 users that takes the same trade at the same time, it will impact the NASDAQ.
No, it won't. No, it won't. At it only will execute at 14.99. The amount of volume that's there at 15, it went to 15.30. The whole entire world would be able to enter a short with us on that app. There's enough liquidity there easily. We're only looking for a couple of penny move. The whole app, if we had 1,000 traders on it, 1,000 would be up 25 cents right now with one runner left in rail grind. Yeah. It hasn't broke 80% yet on the rail grind. Look, we're on the 15-minute chart right now. It's still in rail grind. Switch to the bot would switch to the 15. We are at 80. We're at 87% rail grind, almost at the top. 100. 90% rail grind, 95. So as long as this bar stays above that 80%, and it is, it'll only go below at 15.20. 4 cents it loses, it'll go below 80%. The trade will be over. But right now, the bot is still in the trade at 23.24 because the line is still there. Switch to the 5-minute. It's about to head under. Look, at 22. 20. It's a decelerator nickel. It's decelerating. In a decelerator nickel, you don't enter shorts. You wait. You're patient. In an accelerator nickel, you add into the short. It's the shit. No one does that. Who adds into winners? Nobody. I do it. 26. Add. Goes right to 30. I'm out. Every time. It's still good because it's still above 80%. It's about 80. It's about 78. No, it's about 82. It's got about another little trick left. But if it strengthens up, it'll tail back up. 25, it's tailing back up. See, still in the trade. 26, trailing back up. Accelerated nickel. See, 27, 28 again. Let's go. 27. It's still in rail grind. It's 27. Let's see the 2-minute. 2-minute is right on the rail at 80%. See it right on it. Right on it. So you got to switch to the 5 and keep it in. 27. 28. Come on, they want it. It wouldn't be 27 if it wasn't going 28. I told you. 29. Told you. Still in rail grind. 29, baby. 30. High is 31. 1 penny away. You said wow again. I know. It's unbelievable. So let's see where it's going to go on the NASDAQ. It's going to go to 24,760. It's going to fall 60 more points to 24,700. Here's 31, new high. Man, I wish I had my other one before. Tell me I got a runner. No, I don't. Fuck. Imagine if I had a runner and I put the stop in. I made 485, but I would have made freaking... Imagine if I would have had one micro runner this whole time. I would have made freaking $1,000, dude, on a micro runner with Leon on my show. One micro. This would have been one of my biggest micro runners in the history of Mojo right there today. But I have no more accounts to trade because I'm done for the day. And once I'm done, I'm done. I don't log back in and do another trade in it, no matter what it does. No matter what. Good show today, Leon. That was a lot of fun, boss.
Yeah, that actually was, yes.
A lot of fun trading today with Leon on my show. I'm going to be a long-time trader with his company. We're going to develop some programs together, and I want to thank everybody for tuning in and watching.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, if I may, if all of you in the chat wants to just maybe not even buy an account, but just look at the films and see an obvious thing that needs to be changed or an obvious thing that like could be better. Really don't hesitate to like contact me, leon@thinkswordofunding.com. Pretty simple. And I do read and answer to everything. So and usually it's even better than that because it's taken into account. So yeah, don't hesitate to give it a try.
Dude, I'm gonna put. That's fun. It's so awesome. I gotta play a song because a guy on YouTube asked me. Right here. Hold on. Hold on. Here we go. You ready?
I am.
He goes, "Are you on cocaine?" I said, "Yes, sir." Cocaine. Wanna give out. Take her out. Cocaine.
Wow. I'm saying it again. Crap.
So yeah, man, the energy is goated because I'm on cocaine. Does this guy sniff coke? He says. I'm a sniffer. I'm a sniffer. But I'm a toker. I'm a smoker. I'm a midnight toker. What's that song? What is that song? I'm a midnight toker. What is that song? The Joker, right? I'm a midnight. The Joker. Yeah, that's it. Joker. Who's Steve Miliband? The Joker. Some people call me the space cowboy. They call me the gangster love. Some people call me Mojo. Because I smoke when SQQ's going higher. Yes, sir. I'm smoking, token, trading SQQ, poking. Don't worry. Ooh, I made 242 on these accounts. Let's go, baby. Where's that? I'm a grinner. I'm a Bubba, and I'm a sinner.
In the sun, I'm a joker. I'm a smoker.
Let's see my action today, baby. I traded profitable today. In the end, let's see all week. This month, go.
And I'm a sinner.
Made 15 grand, made 7,365.
I'm a smoker.
All right, let's see what I did. So I started here in this account this month from 10-1 to 10-16, made 7 grand, beautiful distribution. Let's see what my profitable trade, 70%, expectancy 380, average winning trade $11, average losing trade 14, largest win 585, largest loss 80 bucks. Take it. Where's my profit factor? Do they have that on here? They don't have profit factor. But anyway, let's see what I am. How about they have a dashboard here on this one too. Let's log in. I have an account here. Let's go to the chart here. Where's the pro charts? Is that it? Where's the firms that got them updates? Let me see. Where is it? Firms. Boom. Does this firm have it? I think they do. Go to Control Center. So here, like this. Boom. Oh, this is the one, Abby, that I did 3 grand in a day that I have to make 3. I did it today, though. So like here, 1680 on October 8th. 29.42 there, 400, 500, and 600. That's how I trade these accounts, man. It's a good fucking day. Does this give you any statistics? Nope. I thought there was another firm that gave you statistics, profit factor and all that shit. I guess not. All right. Great day, guys. 31, been to 35. I'm going to go have some lunch. Enjoy the rest of your day. Go check out Phoenix Trader Funding. Go use the Mojo code and my link below in this video in the description. Go get yourself a Classic or an Ascension account. Come to the Mojo room. I'll give you my course. If you buy today an Ascension account and trade with me, I'll give you my course for free. Mention it to me in the video. Send me an email to mojodaytrading@gmail.com. I'll give you my course for free if you get today buy an Ascension account with my link and code. Let's go. Done. Done. Free education, man. Done. Let's go. Bless you, Leo. Have a great day and a great rest of your week, and we will be in touch. And I will make 30 little short videos of this and post them all over the internet and drive traffic to you, because that's what I like to do. So peace. Have a good day, boss.
Have a good day too. Thanks a lot for your time.
Later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
There he goes. Isn't that amazing how good I traded today, guys? What I did and how I did it. Fucking amazing, right? Just fucking amazing. Oh, I know. You want to get my course and shit? There it is. Go get it. Go sign up. That shit's the best you ever seen in your life. You want to learn how to trade to level 2 and trade my systems and shit? Dude, there's a $60 payment plan on that thing. Go take your phone, scan that thing, go to that site, go check that baby out. You ain't going to believe it, dude. You ain't going to believe it. I sell that stupid option. Let me see. They do it? No. No. I have a pending order. All right. I still think it's got potential. I still think it's got potential, man. It's got potential. Yo, click that link right there. Go to the Trader's Edge bundle. Get going on that thing. Let me make sure. Click that thing. I go right like that. And then I go open in Chrome. Man, I got an earache. Oh. Dude, what a great day, dude. Maybe a bug slept in my ear at night and it's hurting me. You think? The Mojo Trader's Edge bundle. At Mojo Day Trading, we're tearing down the barriers that stop everyday people from becoming successful traders. Most gurus charge thousands of dollars for courses and coaching, but rarely deliver results. Mojo's different. I've helped thousands of traders go full-time or part-time using proven, repeatable strategies that work. And now I'm making it accessible to everyone with the Mojo Trader's Edge bundle at a whopping 90% off. Here's what you get. You get a $50,000 evaluation account. Amazing. That's worth $159. You get one-on-one coaching sessions with me. Unbelievable. Real world. 3 of them. That's worth $300. You get understanding level 2 video, which has just been updated. $99. I should raise the price. I just showed you how to trade the level 2. It's freaking amazing. Reading it to you right here of what's going on that page. Then you got 3 months of the Dosh Trader Pro subscription, dude. That's $450 value. You watch that shit with me in the room. Then you got the Futures Masterclass for $14.97 and my Mojo University Toolbox for $9.97. Total value of $4,000 for $400, dude. Kidding me, Mike? Yeah, I'm serious. 30 years. There you go. Enroll. You can do it on Klarna, Afterpay, all that shit right there, boys. It's the bundle contents. Got the coaching, the chat room, the understanding level 2, the course, and the toolbox. Holy shit. Do I need to pay? Yes, the Trader's Edge is 90% off. Can I get a refund? The course is not a subscription. You own it, so there are no refunds. Bundle includes my coaching. Yeah, set an appointment. And you're going to get a $50K evaluation. That's more than $7,000 of value. Right there. 2 people did it. Let's go. More than only 2? Jeez. Dude, wait till I do the Mojo Cup. Mojo Halloween trading tournament coming up October 27th to the 31st. Can you believe that? Fuck yeah. Dude, look at that shit drop on SQQ. I ain't going to trade it again. No way. No way. Not trading it again. Nope. Done for the day. That's what we do. Yeah, guy, I sniff cocaine. That's what I do. Yeah, that's what I do. What's up, Brad? What's up, Nike, Mr. Stockcock? My energy's goated. Dude, I just made so much fucking money. I'm done for the day at 12:52. I can take a shower in my own office. Go walk my dogs and go have a great lunch. What do you got to do? You got to go to lunch and then go check back in at your office and go work the afternoon shift. Check out at 5 o'clock and drive home in the traffic, miserable. Waiting to get home so you could smoke a big bong hit and have a beer. Right? Right? Then you eat shitty, you sleep shitty. You are shitty. Yeah. Come trade with me. Change your life, dude. Promise you. 30 accounts, $100 each, dude. $3,000 a day. Once per month. That's all you need. $3,000 a day. 30 accounts. Come on now. Do the math. $3,000 a day. 20 days. $3,000 a day. 20 days. 60,000 a month. 60,000 a month. You know what I got to say to that? That's what I got to say to that. Let me get my dog.
Kiss my dad. He was born. Born. It's to be alive. To be alive. To be alive. To be alive. It's 09, it got crushed. Look at that for you, too. It got crushed. Time when I was running down the street, it was no fine, fine, fine. Suitcase and an old guitar and something new to occupy my mind, my mind. You see, before. That's the power of stopping. The trading gods gifted me right there by stopping, and I'm done for the day. So peace, guys. Thank you so much. That was fucking fabulous. Fabuloso.